Hi, I'm Simon from Bossard. Here at Bossard, we share our knowledge in assembly and fastening technology with companies like yours. Why, you ask? Because in every company, many people are involved with fasteners, each with different questions. But they all have the same goal: to design and produce a safe and reliable product at the lowest possible cost. Are you sure, for instance, that the correct tightening torque is being applied to the bolts in your applications? Or that the preload in the fastening joints is sufficient to withstand external forces? What about making sure that the fastening joint will be secure over the lifetime of the product? And how many times can an existing bolt be reused while maintaining your application? What about compliance with applicable quality and industry standards? Would a refresher or deeper insight be useful? Or you may simply want to get an idea about the latest and most efficient fastening technologies for your application and production process. And get smart solutions that can help you reduce your total cost of ownership by up to 40%. Well, I'm sure that we at Bossard can help you. We offer you a special educational program called Expert Education that provides answers to all these questions. It's available in different learning formats based on your specific needs. You might be interested in participating in one of our public in-person seminars at Bossard, or maybe you prefer a tailor-made program on site. All of it is possible. Would you like to get a quick introduction to engineering topics or to our product technologies and services? Thanks to our expert education service, you'll develop internal knowledge about engineering principles, applications, fasteners, and assembly technology in your company. Your knowledge will help you quickly make the right fastening choices and will speed up the design and production process in your company. At the same time, you'll feel secure about the quality and safety of your product. At Bossard, we call this proven productivity. Get in touch to find out how we can help with our assembly technology expert services. Contact our experts at Bossard.com.